What's going on, you guys? So in this video I am going to show you how to remove invisible filter on TikTok for iPhone. So let's start. So let's open TikTok and search for the invisible body. Now choose a video that you want to remove the filter from and download that video. Next, open up PixArt. We are going to use this app to remove the filter. Tap on the plus sign and choose the video that you downloaded from TikTok. Now, from here, tap on Adjust. So, bring the brightness to 36. Set the contrast at -62. Set saturation at 62. And hue at -58. Next, bring the highlights to 83. And set the shadows to -83. And temperature to -12. After this, go to Effects and choose BRL number 4. Alright, so that should do the trick. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.